Hydro International College offers a professional makeup artistry course which includes a variety of different modules, providing you with the tools to be a successful makeup artist in the industry. This is a one-year full-time course. The cost for this course is 2,100 Rand per month, which includes a kit and manuals. The modules covered in the makeup artistry course include professional makeup applications including day makeup, evening makeup, bridal makeup, photographic makeup, corrective makeup, as well as traditional styles of makeup including American makeup style, French makeup style, and Japanese makeup style. Professional eyelash extensions, manicure and pedicure, nail technology which includes gel nails, acrylic nails, as well as basic nail art. Registration for the makeup artistry course is still open. For more information, please visit our website on www.hydroint.co.za. We look forward to welcoming you at Hydro International College.